Hey friends, my name is Patel. I am from NIT Surat. I recently got placed in Larsen and Toubro. The selection procedure was consisted of online test, group discussions and interviews. In online test, we got quantitative ability, verbal ability, logical reasoning and technical questions. In quantitative ability, we have like typical CAT questions on time, work, time, distance, etc. In verbal sections, we have RCs, assumptions and conclusions, all that kind of stuff. And in logical, we have shape recognition and odd man out from the series. And in technical, most of the emphasis was given on the material science, machine design and manufacturing processes. After online test, the shortlisted students were about to go through group discussions. Group discussions were quite easy, and the topic of our group was cricket is overshadowing other sports in India. The problem with the GD was that the GD was quite lengthy. It was about 15 minutes long, and another problem was that you cannot change your point of view regarding the topic after you start speaking in the group discussion. So it was kind of a debate itself. In interview, in my technical portion, I was a question from my elective subject, that was air pollution and control. So couple of questions related to air pollution. Then they quickly shifted from air pollution to automobile engineering, from which they also shifted from automobile engineering to the machine design. I would like to suggest that one should definitely have a thorough knowledge of automobile engineering, machine design, material science and strength of materials. In automobile engineering, I was asked about differential, how it works and what is the necessity of differential, and after which they suddenly asked me if it fails, what are the ways that it fails. So that question was related to machine design. From machine design, I was asked another question that was regarded from threads and screws. So they asked me what are the types of profiles that generally used in power transmission and all that kind of stuff. And from that question, they also asked me about the lathe machines. After which they suddenly moved to the strength of materials section, from which they asked a very basic question regarding the stress strain curve for ductile materials. In my HR interview, I was asked about my idiosyncrasies. Then typical HR questions were asked like why should we hire you? Then where do you see yourself in 5 years? What are your strengths and weaknesses? And at the end of the interview, they asked me what is your personal evaluation regarding your own interview if you are taking this interview. If you are looking for a job in Larsen and Toubro and you are about to counterface this selection procedure, I would like to suggest that you first of all go through all standard CAT books like RS Agarwal for the quantitative ability, and I would like to say that you should go through material science, machine design and manufacturing technology for the technical interview. Rest of the processes are quite simple, like GD, it is not so tough, and the topics given were not so tough. So I would like to say that you better focus on your technical aspects to improve your technical knowledge, and best of luck for your interview.